portion, of course, of the proceeds goes to that particular rescue or shelter. So hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nadine Rich, founder of cruelty-free-models.com. On this channel I talk about cruelty-free and vegan beauty, vegan and sustainable fashion, eco-friendly models and creatives, and as always, have a little fun. So if any of those topics interest you, be sure to subscribe to this channel. You're in for a good time. So yes, let's get right into this video. So we're going to be talking about the best cruelty-free and vegan subscription boxes in 2022. So you've probably heard of all the different types of subscription boxes. I mean, there's hundreds. I mean, they're out there, but there's a select few that are cruelty-free and or vegan. Yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. The best subscription boxes of 2022. So first off, let's start with the OG cruelty-free subscription boxes, which is Petit Vour. So this is a subscription box that has been around for the long haul. It's very popular, and you get anywhere from like 4 to 6 products in each monthly box. And each product is usually worth around $50 or more. So you're definitely getting a good value with these products. And again, they're all cruelty-free, they're all vegan, and also they ensure that they have safe ingredients for you as well. Their boxes include makeup, any kind of beauty products really. So that includes skincare and hair care and all of those things. So you're definitely in for a treat with this box. And Petit Vour is definitely one of the more inexpensive boxes as well, at just about $18 a month. So really, really good deal with this box. So next up on the list is Kinder box. Is it Kinder box or Kinder? Aren't those spelled the same? Kinder. I would say Kinder because, you know, it's cruelty-free. So this box comes in at around $26, which is, man, that's still an amazing, amazing price, especially since this cruelty-free box is aimed at sensitive skin. So everything in the box is, you know, tested and approved for sensitive skin. So each box contains about $85 worth of products. Yes. And I guess you're gonna get about 5 products in each box, and you're gonna get a good range of products from skincare, makeup, even body care and hair care. So a portion of the proceeds from every box goes to support animal charities such as Love and Arms, Sanctuary, and PCRM. So yes, good stuff. So next up, and you guys, this is in no particular order whatsoever. So next up on my list is vegan cuts. So you may have heard of vegan cuts because they're really well known for their vegan snack subscription box. But hey, they have a beauty box as well, all vegan obviously. And it's actually pretty popular as well. And it includes about 4 to 6 beauty products. And their price range is right at about $24.95, so just under $25. But you guys, they offer full-size products, so that's pretty dope, I would say. Full-size products. So each month they highlight a different, you know, animal sanctuary or animal rescue, which is really cute. And you'll see that on the on an insert within the box, so you'll know which cause is being, you know, featured that month, and a portion, of course, of the proceeds goes to that particular rescue or shelter. So that's pretty awesome. And yeah, so on to the next. We have Beauty Pie. So this one is a little bit different, you guys. Beauty Pie is a members only subscription box, but don't rule this one out, because they offer luxury beauty products, you guys, that are cruelty free, and vegan, some vegan as well. So from what I was able to learn, this is a brand of its own. And what's really cool about this box is how flexible it is. It allows the members to curate their own beauty box. So you get to select from everything on the site what you want in your box. So that is really cool. And not only that, you guys, they not only offer beauty products, but wellness and lifestyle products as well, such as like multivitamins or hair scrunchies and that sort of stuff. So a lot of cool stuff that you can pick from. So definitely check out Beauty Pie. So the next subscription box on the list is the cruelty-free kitty subscription box. This is a new one, but I had to include it on the list because I am a long time, fan of Cruelty-Free Kitty. I've been using her site for research for years and years now, and it's definitely a trusted site. And I'm so excited that she decided to go ahead and launch a subscription box. I think it's a really great move for her. So this box will offer its users, cruelty-free, vegan, natural products that are eco-friendly. And the box itself contains more than 5 full-size products from some of the best brands in the world. So, this ain't no joke, you guys. Full-size products, you guys. And it's only about $34 to $39 a month for this. And you're getting over like $120 worth of product. So that's pretty dang good, you guys, for some full-size products. So yeah, definitely check out the Cruelty-Free Kitty subscription box, and I'll leave links to all of them in the description below so you can check them out. And I got a bonus one for you guys. And this is the Love Goodly subscription box. So this is a woman-owned subscription box that specifically aims cruelty-free and vegan products at women that are natural and clean. So if you're into clean and organic beauty, this is definitely one to check out for sure. And with this subscription box, you're also getting full-size products. They guarantee full-size products, and you'll get a range from, even from lifestyle, wellness, beauty, makeup, hair care, all of the above. So definitely good range of products you'll be able to try. And the price range for this box is about $34.95. So again, a really good price point for a box that's giving you full-size products with a huge variety of products. So yes, that's Love Goodly. So you guys, I want to, definitely point out that there are several more cruelty-free and or vegan subscription boxes, but I just wanted to go over the top 5. Although I did give you a bonus, so that was 6. But I will link the ones that I discussed in the description below. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little video. Be sure to subscribe, share. Sharing is caring. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video.